지난번에 바베큐 파티 하는 걸 보여준다 했지 않습니까? 바베큐는 못 해보고 통닭 3마리를 실험해 보겠습니다. 통닭 세트 준비됐습니다. 불이 너무 세니까 불이 좀 쭈그러든 다음에 해보겠습니다.
Hello guys, this is the machine we uploaded in the YouTube sometime, I think 2-3 weeks ago. So now we are roasting the chicken here, and you can see the chicken are being roasted here. Just it's looking so tasty. So you can be you can see here, and this is the DC motor, and the task of this spinning and the roasting chicken pipe due to this DC motor. And the motor is being just run by this machine, and this is inverter, and the inverter helps to just spin this induction motor. And when we just switch on the line, switch on the electricity, and it starts spinning. So you can see here, this looks so tasty. Wow, it looks so tasty. And you can see the fire inside this basket, inside this tin, and just over the fire you can see the chicken is being roasted.
영상 찍은 지 1시간 됐습니다. 1시간 됐는데 잘 익었네요. 다음번에는 돼지고기 통삼겹 한번 구워 보겠습니다. 다음번에는